You're not going to be able to buy the battery-powered Mercedes-Benz EQC 4x4 squared anytime soon, and we reckon that's a bloody shame. Because with instant low-speed torque, amazing traction and perfectly metered power, electric powertrains are made for off-roading. And Mercedes-Benz has no shortage of off-road expertise to boot. Think Unimog, think generations of G-Wagon, and think about that outrageous G500 6x6 and 4x4 squared. No surprise, given the use of the 4x4 squared badge, this concept vehicle takes battery-powered EQC into the dirt and then some. Underneath is an essentially standard EQC battery SUV, but Benz has added some off-road magic. The EQC 4x4 squared is wider and taller than a normal EQC and has an outrageous amount of ground clearance. The secret is portal axles. Portal axles are a setup where the axle tube or drive shaft is offset from the centre of the wheel hub. Drive is then transferred to each wheel via a simple gearbox in each hub. Building a production EQC wouldn't be hard for Mercedes, but the real story here is a pointer to future generations of Benz off-roaders. In fact, Benz experts say exactly that. Combining 4x4 ability with electric mobility, it's only a matter of time. How long? As we said, there's no Mercedes-Benz EQC 4x4 squared on the horizon, but an all-electric G-Wagon? Now that is another kettle of fish.